Every chocolate cake begins with cocoa.
Cocoa beans shape the soul of chocolate cake. Only selected beans move forward. Sweetness starts at the source.
Flour gives chocolate cake its body.
Eggs bring structure to cake.
Milk balances chocolate richness.
Quality is checked before movement.
Ingredients now travel together.
All chocolate cake ingredients move as one.
The chocolate cake journey begins. Cocoa travels carefully to protect flavor.
Fresh eggs stay protected in motion.
Controlled entry protects production.
Every ingredient load is verified. The chocolate cake facility comes into view.
Ingredients officially enter the system.
The factory prepares to receive chocolate cake ingredients.
This is where chocolate cake production begins.
Only verified ingredients enter.
Each chocolate cake ingredient has its place.
Cocoa enters the factory first.
Dry ingredients are stored securely. Eggs are checked before mixing.
Milk enters under strict control. Cocoa beans are cleaned for chocolate cake quality. Only pure cocoa moves ahead.
Quality decides what moves forward. Only approved ingredients continue.
Chocolate cake production now begins. Smooth flour makes soft cake.
Balanced sweetness starts here.
Only intact eggs continue.
Milk purity is essential.
Ingredients meet in balance.
Chocolate cake batter is about to form.
Cocoa defines chocolate cake character.
Chocolate cake batter begins to form.
Liquids balance the mix.
Sweetness spreads evenly.
Rise is carefully engineered.
Consistency is constantly measured.
Uniform batter is essential.
Batter moves to shaping.
The batter's journey continues.
Chocolate cake shaping is next.
Each chocolate cake starts with exact portions. Heat transforms batter into cake.
Chocolate cake structure forms here.
Texture develops under control.
The chocolate cake is fully baked.
Baking gives way to cooling.
Every chocolate cake meets standards.
Automation now takes control of chocolate cakes. Chocolate cakes are released with care.
Alignment prepares every chocolate cake.
Each chocolate cake is measured. Only perfect chocolate cakes proceed. Chocolate cakes move to finishing. Spacing ensures precision. Chocolate cakes are ready for final refinement.
The coating defines richness.
Chocolate cake enters the finishing stage.
Precision controls thickness. The coating defines richness.
Each chocolate cake is evenly coated.
Cooling locks the coating.
Decoration adds identity.
Details complete the cake.
Appearance is verified.
Chocolate cakes are ready to be packed.
Quality control begins for every chocolate cake.
Every chocolate cake is evenly coated.
Precision controls thickness.
Details complete the cake.
Order prepares cakes for packing.
Chocolate cakes are ready to be packed.
Each chocolate cake is protected for transport.
Freshness is sealed and displayed.
Every chocolate cake is traceable.
Chocolate cakes are packed in bulk.
Packaging secures the load.
Chocolate cakes move at scale.
Chocolate cakes are ready for delivery. And this is how modern factories produce chocolate cakes from start to finish.